Take a look at the markets, please. Red ink for the Dow, minor gain for the S&P. But look, the Nasdaq is now up 0.25%, 63 points. Jason Katz with me today. If President Trump is successful in reopening the strait, the price of oil goes down and stocks go up. That's conventional wisdom now. When are we going to see it? You want to make a forecast?
I think literally in the next 2 to 4 weeks we could see that. So directionally, should that come to fruition, obviously that's good for stocks. But you'd argue a lot of this is baked into the cake, as evidenced by the resiliency of this market, as evidenced by today's headlines and how the market's barely even reacting. So look, there's going to be a risk premium for oil. There is going to be. You could have a Houthi rebel, you could have a militant with a rocket strapped to her shoulder bombing a ship going through the straits. So there will be a premium to oil. This is going to shift from a market that is reactionary and rebounding momentum to a fundamentally driven market, and that's a healthy thing.
A fundamentally driven market is one which looks at the economy and profits, and where they look good goes up. Is that it?
Precisely. And how has the economy looked in the face of all this? How have earnings looked in the face of all this? So the direction of travel is probably up for stocks, but we've had this parabolic move, so it's probably not going to be a straight line.
It has been extraordinary, though, hasn't it? And there's a war going on, stretching almost into 2 months now. Interest rates have not come down. Gasoline is way over $4 a gallon, and yet the market sets a series of record highs. I mean, you've got to be surprised at that, even though you've done this for years and years and years.
I am surprised, but what I'm not surprised about is people vote with their money. Period. End of story. The market is the ultimate arbiter. It gets crazy in the short run, but in the long run, it follows the economy, it follows earnings. And all of that, in the face of all these headlines, has been extraordinarily resilient. And should the straits reopen, that's even more fuel to the fire. Maybe not for a parabolic rise, but direction of travel higher for stocks, value stocks in particular.
Value stocks. Okay, back to value stocks, in other words.
We've had this ping pong this year.
Yeah.
Value started the year great, outperforming by 7%. All of a sudden, we had the Iran war and the rebound. Now growth's outperformed by 5%. The ping pong's coming back to value once we get these straits open.
I have abandoned my plan to put any money into the 10-year Treasury to yield me 4.4%. I'm back to big tech. That's why
You finally woke up and smelled the coffee.
Yes, I did, actually. Well, thank you very much, Jason. Thank you. Come back soon.